Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So yeah, today I'm just going to be tinting the headlights. Gone for a little bit of a different colour, not just black. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. So yeah, enjoy. So I've gone for a yellow tint. At the minute I've taken out the box because it's all folded over, so I thought I'll stretch it out a little bit first to try and get some of the creases out. So first of all, you want to clean the headlight, so I'm just going to give it a little bit of spray with the old Demon Shine. Just give it a rub over, get a bit of the grime and that off it. And then also I'm just going to give it a quick clay bar as well, just get any little bits of tar that's off it. Hopefully it shouldn't really be too bad. So you need to make sure you don't fold. You want to spray the bar and then spray the light as well. Just give it a good rub over. So once you've made sure you've done all that, just give it a quick wipe. Make sure you get all the residue off it. And then you can get starting to tint the lights. So first of all, I'm just going to see how much I need to cut off first. Just give it a little slit in there, but because it's so windy, I'll cut it inside. So now that I've done that, you want to take the film off it, or else it won't stick on. As you can see, it's a bit bloody windy, so trying to do that is quite hard with it blowing in the wind. Finally got there in the end, just about. So I've got a spray bottle with a bit of Head and Shoulders in it with water. This makes it a little bit easier to move around. So just give the headlight a spray with that. Now time to whack on the tint. Here goes. So a heat gun is better, but I haven't got one, so I'm just going to use a hairdryer instead. Start warming it all up so it's a bit more flexible, you can move it around. So you get your little squeegee and start just moving it around, trying to push it out. Trying to get as least bubbles in it as you can. Just further down the line you'd see it's not an easy job. You have to have some patience when it comes to, wrapping or tinting headlights, which isn't really something that I've got, to be fair. But we'll keep at it and see if we can get it pretty much not perfect, but so it looks good from a distance and if you stood around a corner. So yeah, I'll carry on. So this is where I'm at the minute. As you can see at the start, it's not too bad, but trying to then get round the corner and that, it's just so difficult. But yeah, I think just try and keep at it. See if I can get it a little bit better than what it's looking now. But like I said, if you were looking at it from round the corner, it would look perfect. So yeah, I'm just going to keep trying to push it down, see if I can get anything out. Then if not, I'll probably give up if I'm honest, but it doesn't look too bad, to be fair. So yeah, I think that's the best you're going to get out of me, so I'm going to just cut off the excess and then maybe give it a little bit more of a rub around, see what I can get out. But yeah, just cut around it all. Try not to scratch your car if possible. There you go, pretty much there. Obviously it has a protective film on it, so I'll just remove that now. Just got the hairdryer on it again, just try and get it underneath the light. So that's one done-ish anyway, doesn't look too bad. So I'll just quickly do the other one and then show you the end result. So yeah, I've done them both now, and I did them both equally as shit. So yeah, doesn't look too bad. Might stay on, probably won't. So yeah, this is the outcome of what it looks like in the daylight. Not too sure if they're going to stay on, to be fair, but a little bit of different. Just let me know in the comments what you think. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Little way of showing you how hard it is to tint headlights, to be fair. So anyone that can do it, big respect for them, to be fair, because it is hard work. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.